Alright, here are the chords we need for Dirty Deeds. We need an E power chord. So that right there. And we strum the top two strings. Okay, then we're going to put our middle finger right there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And the next one is an A power chord. So instead of strumming the top two strings, you strum the next two. And then up to this one. Okay, so it's... Then the last thing, they're playing just a straight up D chord to the E, like... Okay? But if it's easier, you can play an E power chord, a D power chord right here, these two on the 5th fret. Because it's easy to kind of that and slide it to there. So here's how we're doing it. Way to do the verse, we're going to go all the way up to the 12, 11, 10th fret power chord, and we go so it's just, and however many counts you need to count, and then finally it's ba-da-da, ba-ba-ba, ba-ba-ba, and on the 4th one it's ba-da, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then it goes into the chorus, which is A power chord, 5th fret, and it's okay, and then I think the easiest would be an E power chord right here on the 7th fret, Deeds, and it's dun, dun, cheap. So the same thing, which you could also do right here. Okay, so it's dirty deeds, dun, dun, cheap, dirty deeds, dun, dun, cheap, dirty deeds, dun, dun, cheap, dirty deeds and the dun, dun, cheap. What? Dirty deeds and the dun, dun, cheap, dirty deeds and the dun, dun, cheap. Dirty deeds, and they're pretty cheap. Dirty deeds, I find, are pretty cheap. It just depends on what the deed is, how dirty you need it. Okay, so so that covers all the parts. Let's see what you can do with that, and then if you kind of kick butt on that, then we'll get into the kind of some of that stuff. All right, adios.